Lynette van Skalkwijk is standing by. Lynette, it might be cold here, but very hot weather for the Cape today.
That's right, Anli. Well, let's just take a look again at those observed maximum temperatures of yesterday. Johannesburg only reached a high of 19. Ermelo was much colder than that. It reached a maximum of 12.5. But in the west, it was really hot already. Cape Town was just shy of 30 degrees, and in Port Nolloth, an observation of 38 degrees Celsius. Now, today is already starting out to be a warm day over the western parts. Morning temperatures are hovering at around 20 degrees in Cape Town and all along the west coast, but it's icy this morning over the eastern interior. Temperatures are at the moment below 0 degrees around the Drakensberg, over the interior of KZN, and close to 0 on the Highveld as well. There's still some cloud pushing into the Lowveld this morning, and we could still expect a bit of rain initially over the far northern parts of the KZN coastline, but other than that, we're expecting completely dry conditions for today. Temperature wise, after this morning's chilly start, maximums will exceed 20 degrees today. We're expecting a high of 21 in Johannesburg and 23 in Pretoria, but it will take quite a bit of time to warm up in the Lowveld, where we're only expecting a high of 22 degrees in Phalaborwa and Vryburg with a maximum of 26. It's sunny today in the Free State with highs of 24 in Welkom and Bloemfontein, and in Ladysmith we're expecting a maximum of 23 degrees, but quite a bit warmer than that in the Eastern Cape. It's really in the Cape provinces that we're expecting a hot day today. 30 in Makanda, 29 degrees in Bishu. The coastal areas will be kept slightly cooler. Winds are still strong this morning along the Wild Coast and in East London as well, with average wind speeds of 40 kilometers per hour there. Winds aren't as strong in Durban, with a wind speed of 30 kilometers per hour. There we're expecting a high of 21 degrees. East London up to 24, and in PE we're expecting a maximum of 28 with moderate easterly winds, and there's a 2-meter open ocean swell coming in from the southeast. The southern interior will be really hot today with 36 in Oudtshoorn. In Vredendal we're expecting a maximum of 39, mid-30s in Worcester and Robertson as well, and along the south coast high temperatures as well, with 30 degrees in Mossel Bay, 29 in Plet, and temperatures up to 32 in Hermanus. There's an easterly swell of 2 meters, and high tide is expected just after 2 o'clock this afternoon. For the western interior, another breezy day, especially towards the western escarpment, where wind speeds will reach up to 40 kilometers per hour. Springbok will be hot with a maximum of 32, 30 degrees in Prieska, and 31 in Uppington. The west coast with offshore berg winds, 35 km per hour winds in Alexander Bay. There we're expecting a temperature of 38 once again, 34 in Lambert's Bay, mid-30s down to Cape Town as well, with a 1.5 meter southwesterly swell, and winds die down completely in Cape Town later this morning with speeds of 10 km per hour. Tomorrow we're expecting high temperatures once again, slight cooling in the west, Cape Town up to 30. It warms up in Gauteng, and on Saturday we're forecasting a bit of rain for the south and southeast coast, but will still be hot over the western interior. That's all from the Weather Centre, and I'll have another weather update shortly.